With warmer weather coming, it's time to bring you my favorite summer treat, baby back ribs on the grill. And this recipe could not be any easier. You'll pick up a rack of baby back ribs and I promise you have everything else to make these on hand. You can tell that these have a lot of meat between the bones and on top of the bones. Those are gonna be good when they get all cooked up. Besides the ribs, all you need is a good spice rub. This recipe just calls for salt, pepper, chili powder, cumin, and paprika. I like to go a little deeper because y'all know me, I gotta make things my own. I love adding a little bit of a spicy and sweet note to my rubs, so I'm going in with a little cayenne pepper, garlic powder, brown sugar. I'm gonna give my ribs a good, even coating all the way around on both sides, and you're just gonna rub all that flavor in. The prep could not be any easier. When it comes to the grill, you can do charcoal or gas grill, however you wanna do it. What we're looking for though is indirect heat. That means we're gonna get it hot in one area of the grill and cook it on the other area. For me, the lower part of my grill is gonna be hotter, so I'm gonna cook on this top rack, so I'm just gonna oil the grates a little bit. Since we're on a gas grill and not a charcoal grill, we're still cooking directly over the heat, so as the fat renders and these cook down, it's gonna drip a little bit, and we don't want any flare-ups from the flames, so I'm gonna place down a little bit of foil right underneath. At this point, we're gonna crank our grill down to low, cover it, and do not peek. Look at that. Look at that. You can tell they're ready because the bones start peeking out. That's gonna give you a sign that the bone's gonna come out pretty easily, and then all that caramelization on the outside. At this point, one final step is to go ahead and brush it with barbecue sauce, whatever barbecue sauce is your favorite, or make your own. And then I like to crank my heat back up on the grill, close it for just about 5 minutes. Y'all, this is what summer is all about. There's nothing like getting a little messy with some sticky ribs. To serve them, I like to cut them into 1 to 2 rib pieces. So to do that, you're gonna kind of look at the back side and cut in between the ribs. These are perfectly tender. You can even see that they got a little smoky around the top. They're good just like this, but I am a saucy girl and I'm gonna sauce it up even more. Oh yeah. There is so much flavor packed into that rub that we did on the outside. You can taste it, peppery, but slightly sweet, and the tang from the barbecue sauce goes perfect with the rich meat from the rib. I'm telling you, perfection. Now turn that off so I can eat these in peace.